What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie, for those of you that are new, and if you are not, welcome back. I am happy to have you guys back on here, and if you are happy like me or you just ready to see this video, give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, I am so tired. It's ridiculous, I should not be this tired. But anyway, as you saw on the title, this is a Dollar Tree fall haul. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of things I got from the Dollar Tree that was cute and stuff, you know, if you want to do a little fall decor at your place or a little whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and I am hoping to find more stuff, but I don't know, we'll see. So I have, as you can see back here, I set this up already, but I got all these from, well, some of these from the Dollar Tree. But like this little cute thing, you know, before I show you guys what this is, and it says hello fall. So I think that was cute. You know, you can set it wherever you want. And I have these. I got these right here. You know, I think, I'm not sure what this one is. I think it's a pumpkin, but don't judge me, guys. But and I found these. Those are cute. I went back and I couldn't find, I don't know, I think because I went to a different Dollar Tree, I couldn't find like other cute. I found some stuff, but not what I was hoping to find. And this one say thankful, I feel like I'm not saying that right. Grateful, blessed. That's this one. I might give these to my sister, I don't know. And this one say pumpkin kisses, harvest wishes. Yeah. So I got these two. Where did I put this? I don't remember. Okay, right here. And right here. And these are just Dollar Tree fake flowers, so I just thought the color good and I just put it in this vase. That's it. But I'm hoping to get more cute fall stuff so I can decor this better. Or here, these candle I made. So if you haven't watched my DIY candle video, be sure to watch it. I will link it down below so that way you can make your own candle. Yeah, so I made these, and these ones up here, I found these little vases at the Dollar Tree too, and I made these candles. So if you want to know how to make your own, go on there and watch that video, and so you can make your cute little things. And let's get to the next stuff I got. Okay, so I got these little candle holder. I might be doing more candle stuff, so. And these are like fall lights, so I like these. I don't know what color candle I'll be making with these, but so I got these. You might be able to find them, I don't know guys. Sometimes Dollar Tree, they'll have something and then you come back to it and then it's gone, or you know, a certain Dollar Tree have certain stuff and then the other ones don't, you know what I mean, and stuff. So, and I got these. It's like salt and pepper. And I'm hoping to gift. I have another. Look, what did I drop? I have another one. Okay, yes. So I got this pumpkin one. This is for like, so that's probably for my kitchen or something. And oh, this one got us. But I'll probably give these to somebody. My sister, I don't know. Found these vases. These are so cute. I had to get two. I'm wondering if I want to make candle out of these, or I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. But these Like, I don't know if you guys can see the colors, because this look real nice. Okay, real nice. So I got these, and I don't wanna. Alright, let me show you guys the rest of these faces and stuff. Let's see. Oh, and I bought 2 different ones from that same type of vase. And these are okay, like and I bought these also. I think I will be definitely gonna do candle out of these. I did. Ow! That hurt. Oh, wow, that was my elbow. But anyway, guys, I don't know why, but I think these are so cute. I don't know. They just, I don't know. You know, I might be making some candle for Christmas with these. I don't know. Because I have a flock tree. I think I'm saying that right. Flock Christmas tree. But I'll probably put these in there. And this is a white one. I like both colors that I had to get. Like, so I got 2 out of these too. So I will be making some candle out of these, and I'll probably post it. So make sure you guys follow my Facebook page or like my Facebook page, so that way, you know, when I post stuff I'm doing, you guys can see it, because I'm still not eligible to like post picture on YouTube yet. So if you want to see like stuff I'm doing, you can like follow me on there, or my Snapchat, it will be linked down below and stuff. So if you like so far these stuff or this video, give this video a thumbs up, please. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, and yes, next item, right? But these, I found these guys. They so cute. I don't know what I don't know if I want to put candy in these, or kitchen stuff like spices. I might be putting spices in these, but I will be giving. I got 4 of these, and I will be giving some away. And so I got this one. This probably definitely going to the kitchen. And this one say bless. And this one is a cactus. Whoa. Yeah, and also make sure if you're getting these, make sure they have those little thing here so it can close. And then I have this one that says love. You can put like some candy chocolate in here. Maybe. But definitely like these, and on these, they are so cute. I'm probably going to put some picture inside of these. Look at that. They're like a box. This one say create. Or like you can like put like, I don't know, little ideas inside the box if you want. But this one is broken. Guys, I'm so mad and I can't take this shit back. But this one said imagine, you know, and then it's broken. Look at this. You know, it's Dollar Tree stuff, so I'll probably have like to like glue it or something. So if you're getting these, make sure you're getting, you know, make sure they are together and not broken. Look at this. This is a mess. Yes, and this one, be grateful. So I might be giving this again to my sister. I don't know, she's been asking me for like stuff, so I'll probably give this to her so she can put somewhere. And this one say be, and you know it's fall, so it's cute. And then this has nothing. I just seen this and I thought I was, you know, but Thanksgiving is coming, so I thought, you know, I just seen it. I'm like, you know, maybe I can hang it over something for Thanksgiving dinner or something like that. This is for Halloween. I think next behind here, you probably, you know, when it's close to Halloween, you're probably going to see some Halloween decor over here and stuff. So I bought this. I don't know, it was cute. I mean, not so, I don't know, it was artistic, you know what I mean? So I bought this. I don't know, I might have to like do it. Last but not least, that has nothing to do with this haul, guys, is I'm selling these zodiac sign bracelets, guys. If you guys want to buy them, and you guys can, I will link them where you can get them down below from me. And these are $10. So if you want one, let me know. And you know, I have offer up, it's on offer up. So if I'm gonna link my offer up account down below, so you can go in there and message me so I can get these to you guys. And I think their shipping cost is like $3. Yeah, so $10, so you'll be spending $13. And you know, help support me, guys. Help support and buy. So this is Gemini. I'm a Gemini. I know that's why I put that one out. And I have all the signs, guys. So I can't really tell you what that one is yet, but I know what the Gemini is. So I got these. So all 12 signs, guys. So all 12 signs. If you want one, let me know in the comment, and I will link it down below. On that note, guys, I just want to say thank you if you watched this whole video, or you know, you like this video. I just want to say thank you to you guys, and I hope everybody's staying safe, and I hope this video was helpful to some of you guys, so you can go to Dollar Tree and find some stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know you guys' thoughts, and you know what you guys want to see me do next.